Assalamu alaikum kids too. This is Bushra Anjua, your English teacher, and today's topic is animal's name. Look at the picture and you will find that they are animals, and do you know their names? Let's spell and write. K, A, T, cat. Yes, it is a cat. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. Let's spell and write. Okay, the next one is R-A-T, rat. Yes, it is a rat. R-A-T, rat. After that, it's D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. Yes, it's a dog. Okay, look at the next one. F-O-X, fox. F-O-X, fox. Always remember that whenever you find a word difficult to spell, take help from sounds of letters which you have learnt well. The animal in the last picture is... Now try to spell it. Yes, L-I-O-N, lion. Yes, you are right. It's a lion. Now it's time for home task. And today's home task is to list down the names of these animals on a page of your notebook. Take its picture and mail it to your English teacher, whose email address is given in the WhatsApp group of your class. I will love to check. Allah Hafiz.